This trick was taught to me by a plumber, and you won't believe how well it works. I was surprised, and I don't think you've seen this anywhere else. You'll go crazy when you learn this trick. I don't know if you're like me, but I like the smell of the toilet all the time. When it smells bad, I don't feel comfortable. Although it's one of the most natural things in the world, many people feel uncomfortable leaving bad smell in the toilet. Here at home, I always have scented products for the bathroom because always after using the toilet, it smells bad. But there are days when the smell is gone and I can't go to the market for more. The plumber taught me this emergency trick. I tried it and I loved the result. If you don't want someone to notice the bad smell when they come to your bathroom, pay close attention because now I'll share the trick with you. I'm using a box of matches. I'd like to know from which country you're watching me, so I can send you a special greeting in my next videos. The first thing you have to do is go to the bathroom and do your necessities as usual. When you finish, you'll throw up. You'll notice that the bad smell will be in the environment. That's when you normally use the homemade scented spray. But when you don't have it available, you can take a box of matches and it will get you out of a big hurry. Then take a match and light it right on top of the toilet. If you've ever lit a match, you may have noticed that it has a strange smell. This smell is caused by sulfur. Leave it on until the stick runs out. If the bad smell persists after it's gone, turn on another one and repeat the process until the bad smell goes away. What the match does is neutralize the strong smell. This doesn't mean that it's gone. It rather covers it so that it's not noticeable, which is exactly the same function that common scents do. Similarly, if you're going to take a shower and before that you want to do your necessities, you can also light a candle with a match and leave it there until you finish showering. The candle will also help you neutralize the bad smells. These little techniques will make a big difference, and I hope they will be useful to you. Today's greeting is for Felipe from Bolivia and for Marlis Martinez from the United States. Thank you for watching our videos. I say goodbye wishing you rich blessings. Until next time!